Hi, I'm Rishan and I'm from grade 3F, and today we are going to do a solid, liquid and gas experiment. First we're going to pour water on these containers and freeze it like this. Now the liquid has turned into solid ice. Now I'm going to turn this solid ice into liquid water to gaseous vapor. Now we're heating the ice. Check this out, it's turning into a liquid. So now this ice is entirely liquid. Now it's slowly turning into gas. Now we're going to turn gas back into liquid again. So now we are covering this with this plate so that it turns back into a liquid. Now the vapor is turned back into a liquid. You can even see it in the pan. So it's basically liquid to solid, solid to back to liquid, liquid to gas, and gas back to liquid. Thank you.